Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the transfer of heat numericals step by step. Generally, there are three basic differences or three basic cases regarding transfer of heat in class 9th. So I will discuss each and every aspect regarding transfer of heat, which is important for exam basis. First example, the exterior brick wall of a house of thickness 25 centimeters. So first is the thickness given is 25 centimeters and an area of, that is area equals to 20 meters square. Temperature inside the house is 15 centimeters. That is T in, temperature inside equals to 15 degrees Celsius. And the outside T out is 35 degrees C. Find the rate at which thermal energy will be conducted through the wall. We have to find the rate Q. The value of K is 0.6 watt per meter per Kelvin. We have to find the rate of heat flow, that is Q. So by diagram, this is a wall. This is wall. The thickness of wall is, that is this one. Thickness of wall is 20 centimeters. That is thickness equals to 25 centimeters. So this is the room. So there must be T in temperature. T in temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. This is outside. So T out equals to 35 degrees Celsius. So the area of the wall is, given is 20 meters square. And the value of K value is 0.6 watt M minus 1 Kelvin inverse. So we have to find the value of Q. So this is the area, this is the length. Now this thickness or this must be equal to the length, okay? But because the rate of heat transfer is in this direction, okay? So in this direction, this will be the length, that is the thickness must be equal to the length of the surface. So this must be equal to the length. Then Tn is 15 degrees Celsius. So this must be equals to 15 plus 273. So we have to convert into Kelvin. So this equals to 308 Kelvin. And now, sorry, 15 degrees, it must be equal to 288 Kelvin. And 35 plus 273, this must be equals to 308 Kelvin. Now first we have to find the delta T. So delta T must be equals to T out minus T in. T out is 308 Kelvin, 308 Kelvin minus 288 Kelvin, 288 Kelvin which must be equals to that delta T equals to 20 Kelvin. This is the value of K. Now simply we have to put the value of as Q equals to K A delta T by length. So value of K is 0.6, area is 20, delta T is also 20, and length is 0.25. This must be equals to 960 watt, or if we are in SI units, so simple 960 joule per second. So this is the complete solution. We have given the initial conditions that the thickness and the area is this one, and the temperature Tn and Tout is this, and also the conduction constant K is given. So we have to find the value of Q, that is heat transfer through a wall. So heat transfer must be equal to, this is the formula of heat transfer, that is equal to K A delta T by L. So we know the value of K A delta T by L. We find the value of heat transfer, that is equals to 960 watts. So this is the completion of the first case of the numerical. Now the second problem is the concrete roof of, in this case we consider the roof. A concrete roof of thickness is that the thickness given is thickness equals to 20 centimeter, area equals to 200 meters square. The temperature inside is Cn is 15 degrees Celsius, T out is 35 degrees Celsius. The rate of heat transfer will be conducted through the roof. That is, in this case, this is a roof. The value of K is concrete 0.65 watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse. So in this case, there is a roof. There is a roof. Okay. This is the inside temperature. That is, this is the room temperature Cn. Tn equals to 15 degrees Celsius. And there is a T out. Outside temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. The area of wall is 200 meters square. 200 meters square. And the thickness is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Now we have to find the conduction. So Q equals to K A delta T by L. So delta T is first we have to convert this 15 into Kelvin. This must be equals to 288 Kelvin, and this must be equals to 308 Kelvin. And delta T, now delta T must be equals to 308 Kelvin minus 288 Kelvin, which must be equals to 20 Kelvin. Now the length is 20 centimeters. We have to convert into meter. So it's, this value is 0.20 meter. So Q equals to K A delta T by L. So Q equals to K is 0.65. The value of area is 200. Delta T is 20, and the length is 0.20. By putting this, we have find this. This is the value of the heat transfer. This is the second condition we completed. Now the third condition, there is a heat transfer in a host and or through a glass. Now this is the glass window. Case 3. Case 3 is glass window. Glass window. This is the glass. Okay. The thickness of glass is 0.8 centimeters. Now the T out is Tn is given basically 25 centimeters, and T out is 5 degrees Celsius. The dimension is this side is 2 meters and this side is 2.5 meters. So the thickness of the glass is this, and the value of K is 0.8 watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse. So we have to find how much heat is lost in an hour. So Q by T we have to find as Q by T equals to K A delta T by L. So Q equals to K A delta T by L multiplied by T. Now just putting the value of K A and all the values. The K is temperature is we have given in 1 hour, so we convert into seconds. Now K value is 0.8, delta T is 20 degrees Celsius, area is by multiplying this 2 meter multiplied by 2.5, this will be equals to 5 meters square, and the length is this one. So Q equals to K is 0.8, area is 5, delta T is 20, length is 0.008 multiplied by time is 3600. So the value of Q is Q must be equals to 3.6 into 10 raised power 7 joule. So this is the required answer. This is the case 3. So we have done all the case 3. Hope you understand it is everything. So if there is any difficulty, so try to comment it, and I will respond it with a reasonable answer. So thanks and for watching, and give a huge help for me, and Allah Hafiz from this lecture.